Alright, so today I have this iPhone 6 here. It's my dad's iPhone 6, and now the issue is, let's see here. Yeah, as you can see, the display is coming off. If you press on it, it won't go back in. Now, I'm assuming the battery is just no good. So, and I replaced the battery in this with, let's see, with one of these ones. Let's use that one. With one of these batteries, and it expanded. So, let's fix that. Let's get this screwdriver. Alright. And I might have already said this, but this is an iPhone 6 on iOS 10. Non-jailbroken. But I'm thinking I'm going to get him a 6S Plus, because this phone is not really the best one to have, right? And he also wants an Apple Watch. And now, yeah, so I'm thinking of getting him like the bigger Series 3 cellular. I don't know, it's like 42 nanometer or millimeter, I don't know. But actually, I think I can get a warranty on this. Well, I already had a warranty. It said 24-month warranty or something like that on the eBay page. So I'll just email the seller. Oh, also, I got a new ring, and a piece of lapis already fell out of it, right? So I don't even know how that happened. I think I hit my hand on something. I paid $250 for this. It's a sterling silver ring with lapis. I don't know how you would say that, like embedded in it or something. Yeah, embedded in it, just in case that wasn't clear, because I said it like embedded in it. You know, that doesn't really make sense. Alright, I got it in Santa Fe, New Mexico, and yeah, the receipt says all sales final, so I'm unsure if I can get a refund. Well, the shop's in New Mexico and I'm in Colorado, so there's no way I'm actually going to drive all the way back out there to get a refund. I'm just going to go to like a repair shop, like a jewelry repair shop, and see if they can do anything good, do up a good thing. Alright, it's the old battery. So you can see it's a bit thick. Here, let me get out the other battery. Let's get a better angle. Alright. Let's see. How do you open this? Like that. Alright. I am going to install another one of these in my main phone. Let's see, do I have it? It is right here, this one. It's hard, probably, can't really, well, yeah, you can see it on camera. It's just the back's cracked. My friend, well, a different friend from last time that cracked the other one, accidentally dropped it. Didn't fly across the room this time. And oh, that's... okay. Well, I'll just not turn it on. So, actually, let me just clear the notifications there. Okay, so the problem with this battery right here is it won't report battery usage. Like, it'll just say, battery usage will be available after using your iPhone for a few minutes. Not so much. So I'm going to give that battery to one of my friends who also has a 6S that I sold them. It has a shit battery in it, but I didn't actually realize it had a shit battery in it until they told me. Let's see, this is for an iPhone 6, yeah. Alright. There's... Alright, let's get this out. Alright. So, as you can see, there is a noticeable difference in thickness. So, just put that one aside to try to get a refund on that. I don't really care if I get a refund or not. Just it would be nice to get a refund, because these are like 15 bucks. Alright, where is the battery adhesive? Is it in here? Sure is. Oh, there's a lot more stuff in here. Oh, 30-day full refund. It has definitely been more than 30 days. Even if I get like a $10 refund, or any refund at all. 24-month guarantee. Well, it has definitely been less than 24 months. Alright. Now, I have gotten a lot better at installing battery adhesive strips. So, let's try this out. Also, something about my ring, I'm thinking of getting a piece of emerald put in there, if it's possible. I don't know if that's actually possible yet. But I'm going to have it resized and fixed, because as you can see when I push up on it, it's just like a half a size too big. Like, if I shake my hand, it won't fall off or anything. It's just not the best size possible. Okay, let's see. How do I install these? So, it's going to be like this, because those two will fold over. Okay, so it's going to go on like that. Okay, let's do this. All right. And let's see, how will those, yeah, like that, pretty much. Okay. So, let's very carefully get these on here. Let's see. Let's see. Little something like that. Alright. And then, let's get these two, like covers off. Alright, fold the adhesive strips up and around. Okay. Just like that. Now, let me tell you a story all about how my life got turned upside down, or whatever it is. Alright, so, but actually, let me tell you a story about how not putting in, let's see, like, brackets like this cost me 70 bucks. So, my neighbor, he, you know, doesn't have the best luck with his phone, right? And he knows I repair stuff, so I repair it for him. Like, I replaced his battery and his screen. I didn't get that on camera because I didn't think to record it. He has an iPhone SE. 64 gigabyte on Verizon. And, well, he dropped it. And I didn't reinstall the, like the, what's it called? The brackets, like the display brackets and stuff. Oh, that's not going to go over. Shoot. Okay. Well, that's great. Good enough. Alright. So let's do that like that. Okay, does it turn on? Of course it turns on, and it does indeed turn on. So my neighbor dropped his phone, and he was up in the mountains, so he wasn't able to, get to me. So we went to a repair shop up in the mountains, and they opened up his phone, told him that there was no brackets, installed some brackets. They probably also said I was a shitty repair person for not installing the brackets, but it's because he asked me to, repair his phone so often. I've had to swap the motherboards, or logic boards, rather, twice now, for various different reasons. Once because a home button was broken, and yeah, so, and another time, this time actually, because right here, this is what is left of his home button. As you can see, the thing, whatever this is called, the flex cable, the connector, it broke off. And now, I'm not sure if this happened while I was taking off the screen, because the adhesive for his battery came off and his battery was rattling around, and then he asked me to fix it, so I'll just fix that for free, right? So I opened it up, and there it was, just the home button. I didn't even apply any pressure or anything, so I don't know what happened. But just in case it was, me, I'm getting him a new logic board for free. And it's unfortunate because I don't want to have to pay the $70 for a new iPhone SE. Yeah. Alright. Settings. Battery. Why am I even going into battery? There's no point to even do that. Well, alright. Guess. What the hell? Rainbow Star. Oh. Yeah, I remember that. My sister installed these games, a long time ago. Yeah, that's how old this phone is. From 2016, when my sister was 8 or something. I have no clue. Some age. That wasn't a teenager. Alright. Now I need to install the pentalobe screws. Alright. Let's get that like that. Oh, and one last thing before I finish this video. So, also while I was in Santa Fe, New Mexico, there was this lady, an old lady, that was selling just, random food items. They weren't random, they were all, dessert food items. Candies and stuff. So, what I'm saying is, so she had a Rice Krispie treat, right? Ooh, that was some lag. Let's make sure, let's just drain the battery, and then charge it up. Auto brightness off, brightness all the way up. Just leave it there for a second. Alright. Okay, so just gonna leave it like that for a second. Well, until it drains. I lost, but I don't remember exactly what it was. Oh yeah, the best Rice Krispie treat I've ever had in my entire life was from this lady who, she made them herself. You could just taste the marshmallow. That's the only way I can describe it. It was really, really good. Anyway, so I fixed the battery. Gonna try to get this one refunded. I'll probably leave it in the comments or something if I actually do get a refund. Alright, that's just great.